Hello, today we will learn about variables in PowerShell. And what is variables? Variable is a piece of memory which can be stored into as a integer type and a float and a string. In that it can be stored. And I want to show you example of that. This is a variable. This called variable, but in this variable there is not any kind of value assigned. Whenever we will execute and whenever we will run and whenever we will make a program, during the make a program, and then we can assign value in that. After assigning that, and then we will execute this program, and then it can run easily. Like this we can create variables as we want or as we are having requirement. And now we will learn about operators. In Windows PowerShell we are having 4 types of operators. Just I want to show you. First is this, we are having assignment operator, and second is arithmetic operator, and third is logical operator, and fourth is comparison operator. And as we are having assignment operator, in assignment operator we use 4 symbols. In that we are having symbols equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, and logical operator we are having less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Like this work we have to do when we use like these operators. And arithmetic operator we use for mathematical task. Whenever we have to do any kind of mathematical task, then we use this one operator. And comparison operator we are having. In the comparison operator we use and or operator. Like this we are seeing the example of all of one by one. First we will see arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator example. Now we are writing here a program for that. AD equal to 1 4 FD equal to AD plus ST. It means it will calculate both of value, means AD plus ST. After that it will give a result total of that. It will do plus. And then we have to store this value in that FD. In the FD that value has been stored. Now you can see here its answer is 70. 70 means 56 and 1 4 is plus. This called arithmetic operators. Now we will see another operator, assignment operator. assignment operator used for mathematical task. In assignment operator we are having symbols like equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to. We will see the example of plus equal to and minus equal to. It means we have created a variable. In this variable we have stored 14 value, and another variable we have created. In this variable we are having 56, and in FDA variable we have stored both of value. In both of value it will make plus, after that it will equal to, after that it will do equal to, and then in FDA we have stored all of value. Now we are running this program. Now you can see here it is showing 114 because first it has plus and then equal to. Now we will see here minus, as we have right here minus. After that we will see what will be happen. It is showing minus 100 because of first it has did minus this value, after that it is showing 100. Now we are having one more operators, logical operator. As you can see, we have write a program here, z equal to 5, x equal to 7, and this, and then it means z5 is not greater, z5 is greater than with x, so it means this value is false. If you will write here plus, it will show this is right. If you will write here 10, it means this condition is right, so it will show true. You can see here. And now we are having one more operator, comparison operator. in comparison operator we will use and or. Now we are writing a program for that. If it means a is not less than k and o is not greater than b. If this condition will be true, then it will show true. If it will be false, then it will show false. You can see here. This condition is false because of o is not greater k. Because o is small and k is big, so its condition is false. If we will write here as we have right here, this is not equal, this condition is this, and both conditions are equal, same, so it will show true. This called comparison operator. Thank you.